Hello and good morning everyone. This is Parveen. Today we are on the last session of class 9 history chapter 2 socialism in Europe. Till now we have seen that after French Revolution socialism has spread in Europe, but it has been succeeded in only Russia. That is why in this chapter we also learn about the Russian Revolution. We have seen that in Russia revolution was started by workers and different leaders of parties, and they come together, make a provisional government after when they overthrown the monarchy in Russia, and with the help of military power provisional government is taking charge of the Russia. But as Bolshevik leader Lenin came to Russia from Germany after his exile, he tried to make a Soviet government or Soviet power in Russia, and he succeeded to make a Soviet power in Russia after on February when monarchy has been overthrown and provisional government was there. After February, leader of Bolshevik party Lenin tries to make a Soviet power in Russia. Until December he succeeded to make that Soviet power in Russia. So now we will see in this particular session that what changed after February, and this is the last part of our chapter. Okay, so what changed after February? As Bolshevik government was there, or there was a Soviet power in Russia, most industries and banks were nationalized because Bolshevik government believe in communalism, believe in the nationalism, believe in nationalization of economic system. So first of all, the industries and banks were nationalized. In cities, Bolshevik enforced the partition of large houses according to the family requirement, because workers are having housing problem and elites are having big houses. So they enforced that people have their houses in partition according to their requirements, or if they have large houses, they can share it with the other families. So there was not such. So over here we can say that everything was nationalized. There was no such thing as private property or private ownership after the Soviet power in Russia. In November 1970, and they also banned the title given to aristocrats or title given to many officials in Russia. So titles were also banned in Russia. In November 1970, Bolshevik conducted the elections to make constituent assembly, but because of the industrialists and landlords, they are against the Bolshevik government, and some people are there who are favoring who favored the provisional government. They are against the Bolshevik government. So when they conduct the election in November 1970, they failed to gain the majority. So in January 1918, the new assembly rejected the Bolshevik measure, in the action of which Lenin dismissed the assembly because he is having a military power with him. So that is why he is most powerful in Russia. And in March 1918, Lenin make peace with Germany also, because he came from Germany. He is influenced by the ideas of German philosopher Karl Marx. Bolshevik become the only party in Russia to overcome with the failure of majority when they wanted to make a constituent assembly. Bolshevik party Lenin took a step and make Russia one party system. There is only one party in Russia, that is Soviet Union or Soviet Party. And till now Russia is following the same party system, and there was a Soviet power in Russia. Okay, so and they also tried to control the trade union so that there will be no strikes, and the secret policies were made, like OGPU and NKVD were made to punish those who are against the Bolshevik government. They punish those people secretly so that people will not know about it. After October 1917, experiments were conducted to flourish arts and architecture. So over here we can say that Bolshevik has a complete control over the Russian Empire. But there are many groups who are against Bolshevik government, which causes the civil war in Russia. In opposition of Bolshevik 1918 to 1919, the Greens and Whites are the parties in Russian Empire who tried to have a war with the Bolshevik party, which is called as civil war. But Bolshevik government or Bolshevik party was backed by the France, America and Japanese troops, because of which by January 1920, Bolshevik had full control over Russia, and they make a complete Soviet power in Russia with the help of Muslim Jihadists and cooperatives in Russia. So over here we can say that Russia becomes a socialist country till 1920, and Bolshevik party is having a full, Soviet party is having a full control over Russia, and after that they try to make 5-year plans to get an economic growth. and 550 stoppages in wages were there. Schools were developed, health facilities becomes cheap in Russia, and there was a total nationalized economic system in Russia because of the Soviet power or Soviet Union. So I hope you understand this particular chapter with the Russian Revolution. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment. Till then, thank you.